Hello everyone, my name is Manat Kampapan.
My name is Chiapat Krutnim.
We are from Princess Julaponsai High School in Nakhon Si Thammarat, and we would like to take this opportunity to present our computer project named Predictable. So let's start. The background of this project is from the simple problems that I often meet in chemistry class in the beginning of the semester. The problem that I'm talking about is forgetting some information of elements on periodic table, such as atomic number, mass number, and each group of elements as well. But the traditional way to remember them is really uninteresting and can be time consuming. So how can we try to remember them and enjoy with them at the same time? We see the importance of this problem, so that's why we decided to make this project. And our solution to solve this problem is, what if we solve this problem with game? Objectives of this project is to develop a game for using in chemistry classes and to make a different way of periodic table memorization, which is fun and more attractive. The first part of the game development is content designing. The first step, we're going to collect some nuclear symbol information of elements, and the second step is sketching some interface of the game up, and this is what we schedule. The second part of the game development is develop anything that we have planned. Then these pictures gonna show you how the games look like, and you're gonna see this again in the second part of the presentation. The result of this project was estimated by the 20 beta tester who is studying in the Princess Julaponsai High School, and they estimated via our Google Form after they played our game. And from the graph, you will see the average score of creativity was 4.3, the attractiveness is 4.25, knowledge is 4.55, beauty is 4.0, and the utilization is 4.5, from the maximum score 5. The conclusions of this project is most of users accept that the way to play the game is interesting and they are able to memorize some clear symbol information more easily and want to play the game repeatedly. Let me the second part of the presentation. Let's play the game.
Now let's start on the periodic table game. On the screen, we have a pink guide, the main avatars of us, who will bring us on the adventure in the game. We can move your character to the left and to the right, like to this side with game. The portal that in front of the pink guide is the stage of the game. Now let's start the gameplay. On the gameplay, you will see the three buttons: hydrogen, lithium, and helium. You must choose the one of the three buttons and choose the group of the element that you choose. If the group is correct, mass number and atomic number will be activated, and you must choose the mass number and atomic number of the element that you choose. You will see if the answer is true if you have green text. But if I assume that I have a false answer, it will be red. The mission of the game is attack the slime that is your enemy. You must take the damage to enemy to be zeroed. But if your pink guy have health bar to be zero, the game will be over. And in the game, we have the item for you to manage of your strategy to attack the enemy, like the sword that can increase the damage to the slime, fire that can burn the enemy every round, shield that can block the damage on the slime, and the potion for healing pink guy. If you can play this game, we will have the forum that you can recommend our project and give feedback to us for development of the game. Thank you for attention to our presentation.